नमस्कार। मेरा नाम डॉक्टर भूषण सूद है और मैं कनाडा में सूद सभा ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका का वर्कर हूँ, वॉलंटियर हूँ। और आज मेरे साथ मेरे बहुत ही बचपन के दोस्त, यहाँ मैं पैदा हुआ हूँ, श्री अरविंद सूद जी और उनकी धर्मपत्नी रेणु सूद जी मेरे साथ हैं। और इनका जो रीज़न है आज इनको इंट्रोड्यूस करने का, वो ये है कि इन्होंने अपना जीवन का, दोनों ने काफ़ी टाइम सूद सभा होशियारपुर को दिया है। मे बी डिकेड और मोर देन दैट, वो तो वही बताएंगे, बट आई एम ब्रिंगिंग हिम टू द प्लेटफॉर्म बिकॉज ही इज गिवन सो मच ऑफ हिज टाइम, वैल्यूएबल टाइम टू द सभा. So we as a community, we should know what contribution he has done and what all activities सूद Sabha is doing. So here we introduce together Shri Arvind Sood ji and Renu Sood ji.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Namaskar. Dr. Saab, Dr. Bhushan ji, my dear friend and my guide also. And I would thank you that you have considered us to say something and share something with you. So we have come before you today with your efforts. So I would like to introduce myself with this thing only, that I am Arvind Sood. I am a practicing forensic consultant cum lawyer. I am dealing with the examination of documents relating to all the problems relating to documents like fingerprints, handwriting identification, and other so many things. So I am working in North India. So I keep on visiting Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, whole of Punjab, Haryana, and number of places up to Delhi also. So I am General Secretary of Sood Sabha Hoshiarpur also. For that matter, I am attached with the Sanatan Dharam Sabha Hoshiarpur. It's an old Sabha. I am chairman of the Girls Senior Secondary School of Sanatan Dharam Sabha at present also. And my aim of the life is to whatever time I can contribute, I should do at least some social service. As you have said, I tried myself. I don't know how successful I am, but I have tried till now. So, Sood Sabha Hoshiarpur, I am representing Sood Sabha Hoshiarpur for the last about, you can say, more than 25 years as General Secretary. And I am married to Renu Sood. Already she has been introduced. She is from Butel family. And I am married at Shimla. So I have two children, one son and one daughter. Daughter is elder one. She is Swati. She is married at Jalandhar and settled there. And my son is a practicing lawyer in the High Court, Punjab and Haryana High Court, and he is settled at Chandigarh.
Beautiful.
So we both are in Hoshiarpur, from where you also belong, and old memories and associations I can recollect from the college days till now.
You're right.
So this is what I would say about it.
बहुत अच्छा टाइम निकाला हमने होशियारपुर में. We were like good friends. घूमना फिरना enjoy करना.
I always remember and relish those days.
Thank you. Renu ji, आप बताएं, your Butel family is very known in Shimla.
Yeah, Doctor. First of all, it is a really big pleasure to be with you on this day.
Thank you.
I'm really thankful that really you have honored us and thought that we can speak something about that.
Thank you.
I belong to Shimla and to Butel family preferably. And I think in Himachal, everybody knows about Butel, about their charity, about their doing all free things for poor people, giving education to kids, and looking for the women liberation and all. Everything they have done, I think so.
Yeah.
And I'm really proud of myself that I belong to Butel family.
Yes.
Butel family, you can say, or you can say Sood families.
You're right.
I would like to say that really there is a big genetic difference, I can say. That you find Soods very different in every aspect. Very different.
Acha.
That is I have seen.
Okay.
Though all the communities are very good, but if I go to Sood families, I see so many genetic, very higher level, you can say good qualities in them.
Wonderful.
They're very contented, and they just want to do with the public, everything they want to do for the public.
Okay, good.
We have never heard about anything about doing wrong in Sood families.
हाँ जी, मैं बुटेल फैमिली पालमपुर में रह के आया हूं उनके पास. I think
जी हाँ, जी हाँ.
they're the
They're
king
all
of.
my cousins. I
Oh,
can give you a brief history about tales.
Okay.
That we were 6 families residing in Shimla.
Okay.
There is a big Haveli in Pragpur. It is a heritage village, and from there they just wanted to expand their business, and they diverted to 3 families diverted to Palampur and 3 to Shimla.
Beautiful. So on that note, we like to go further. अरविंद जी, थोड़ा सा आप प्रेसिडेंट जो आपके हैं सूद साहब, के साहब, उनके बारे में बताएंगे आप?
प्लीज. हमारे उससे पहले I will just tell that I am Bhagda by subcaste. I am Sood but Bhagda. So our honorable president Mr. Krishan Kant Sood ji, वो हमको पिछले about 25 years से 23 years I must say represent कर रहे हैं. He is a lifelong president now, because in general house meeting it was decided by the whole Sood family that the service being rendered by him was so appreciated that he was working more energetic to his age. So everybody thought of that he is looking after in a much better manner. So he must continue as president. So it is a history that first time he has been given this charge that till his life he will be president of the Sood Sabha.
Okay. It's called position immunity.
And I also endorse it that I am working with him, but the kind of energy he has got, the time he gives to the Sood Sabha, already he has given lot of his time after his retirement. It is commendable and it is exemplary for any Sood Sabha.
Very good.
We have reached somewhere with his efforts. Of course, team has helped him, but his ideas were genuine and good, and he implicated those, and he brought it to the level that everything could turn true.
Wow.
We could see that thing which we imagined.
Wonderful.
So, this is what I can say about our great and energetic president, Shri Krishan Kant ji Sood.
Yes, I respect him. He's our relation also. And we know him like as a child. I remember, he used to come and visit our house. Before, इससे पहले आगे चलें, मेरे माइंड में आया कि आप दोनों अपनी जिठेरी के बारे में बता सकते हैं, भागड़ा और
जी हाँ.
हमारी जो जिठेरी है भागड़ों की, वो लोहारा में है. किन्नू लोहारा आपने सुना होगा. ये एक विलेज है. भरवाई से अगर हम चिंतपूर्णी की तरफ जा रहे हैं, तो भरवाई से को 3 किलोमीटर पहले there is a diversion, right side diversion, and you have to go another 4-5 kilometers, you reach a village Lohara.
Okay.
So भागड़ा की जिठेरी जो लोहारा में है, और वहाँ जो ट्रस्ट भी बना है भागड़ा ट्रस्ट, उसका मैं ट्रस्टी भी हूँ. आई एम वन ऑफ द ट्रस्टी.
गुड.
एंड हमारे जो जिठेरी माता थी वो किसी ओपन फील्ड में थी. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, with the effort of all the Bhagdas, we could bring it to a specific place, and we have made a beautiful place there, which has got beautiful temple, and along with every facility to stay. If anybody comes there, 2-3 families can stay there. There is a kitchen. We have provided everything, fridge, TV, everything, lawns. So anybody, Bhagda comes from any part of the world or India, can stay there and can have all his religious things done there.
Wow.
So every year we are having a Bhandara. There is one day fixed, first Sunday of February month of every year is a fixed Bhandara. That day we do all the religious formalities. We get together, all Bhagda families, most of them, they come to that place, and then the lunch is served. Lunch is served to everybody of the village, of any community.
I see.
So, so that is the thing, and we are doing charitable work also. We are helping poor there. We have helped poor students. We have married so many poor girls. So whatever we are getting from the temple, whatever people put there with their sentiments, we use it in a proper manner.
Wonderful. And
So that is.
Bole, carry on, please.
So all the bhagdas, they try to come. We even on the day of last Shraddha Matsya का श्राद्ध जो कहते हैं मत्स्य का, उस दिन भी हम वहां पे पंडितों को बुला के अपने सारे बुजुर्गों का श्राद्ध वहां इकट्ठे करते हैं, ताकि कोई रह जाए, कोई बुजुर्ग जो श्राद्ध के बगैर ना रहे, वो फीलिंग जो है वो इकट्ठी एक तरह से कन्वे वहां से हो जाए। तो ये कुछ वहां के लिए हम करते हैं, तो थोड़ा ऐसा कुछ कह लो कि मन की शांति भी होती है, और कुछ जो भावना है मन में कि सेवा करनी है, हर तरीके किसी भी तरीके से की जा सकती है, तो वहां भी थोड़ा योगदान रहता है।
That's wonderful. So how about Butels, रेणु जी?
भूषण जी, हमारी जिठेरी ज्वाला जी से ऊपर बग्गी में है।
ज्वाला जी के पास है।
ज्वाला जी से ऊपर थोड़ा जाके बग्गी is a place, and there we go. Right from childhood we have been going over there. But now my father is not there. But luckily my brother Kamal Butel, who is residing in Shimla, he is a very active member of Susabha also, and he goes there every year. He believes in all the rituals, and thankfully we are lucky that he does all the rituals, and he believes in all the Jatheris, Matas. He goes there with his kids every time, and he is doing all the things.
Lovely.
So ये Jatheri ऊपर है आपके बग्गी से, बग्गी में।
I have been to that place. That Baggi is a place. You go from Khundian side. There is a way to Palampur via Khundian. So when you reach Khundian, there is a diversion from that place about 8 to 10 kilometers. You reach Baggi at a height. So that is a Jatheri of Butels.
Okay, lovely.
Right.
So coming back to your Susabha Hoshiarpur,
Right.
हमें बताएं कब ये फाउंड हुई थी, कब इसकी क्रिएशन हुई थी?
भूषण जी, ये जो हमारी जठेरी है, सूदसभा जो है 1966 में, 1966 में हमारे कुछ बड़े ही रिस्पेक्टेबल सूद फैमिली के जो मेंबर थे, उन्होंने मिलकर ये बनाई थी। तो सबसे पहले लाला बुद्धराम कुठाला जी यहाँ के बड़ी मशहूर हस्ती हुए हैं।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
Fortunately, he was related to my father also. He was my father's फूफा।
ओहो, I remember कनकमंडी में उनकी शॉप थी।
हाँ, उनकी शॉप थी। हाँ जी। So बुद्धराम कुठाला जी, एक गोवर्धन दास जी सूद यहाँ हुए, बहुत ही नोन थे। मदन मोहन सूद जी, वो जो बहादुरपुर से जो हमारे ईओ भी रहे रिस्पेक्टेबल म्युनिसिपल कमेटी के। हाँ जी। श्री टेकचंद सूद जी कनक मंडी से, डॉक्टर शिवचरण दास जी सूद, श्री मोतीराम कुठियाला, श्री वेद रतन सूद, श्री जगदीश राम सूद, पुरुषोत्तम दास जी सूद और शेषपाल जी सूद, ये सब लोगों ने मिलके ये सूद सभा का गठन किया था 1966 में। उसके बाद, हाँ जी, उसके बाद सभा चलती रही। जितना भी उस वक्त सबका टाइम डिवोशन था या जितनी भी कैपेसिटी थी टू रन ए इंस्टीट्यूशन, they did it. They did very well. Then the presidents were changed. Then after that, Lala Tekchand Sood ji, he took the charge of president after Shri Buddharam Kuthiyala ji.
अच्छा जी.
And I will give names of others. After that, Shri Manohar Lal ji Sood, ये भी रीजन बिजनेस करते थे। तो हाँ, मनोहर लाल जी सूद ये वहाँ राय बहादुर जोधामल रोड पे रहते थे। अब तो इनकी स्वर्गवास हो चुका है।
अच्छा।
तो फिर हमारे प्रेसिडेंट ये रहे, तो लाला बुद्धराम जी रहे 1966 से 1982 तक, और टेकचंद जी रहे 1983 से 1992 तक।
हाँ जी, हमारे पड़ोसी थे टेकचंद जी, हमारे पड़ोसी थे।
हाँ बिल्कुल, आपके तो साथ घर बिल्कुल।
हाँ जी, चाचा जी बोलते थे।
कनक मंडी के, हाँ,
हाँ जी,
क्योंकि वहां पे देखो जो नॉन फैमिली थी सूद की, एक आपकी थी, पतासे वाले क्या के सब
बुलाते
जानते थे,
हाँ
सूद
जी,
पतासे वाले
हाँ
और
जी,
टेकचंद सूद की।
2
ठीक
थे
है,
सर, हाँ जी,
हाँ, दो दो फैमिलीज बड़ी प्रोमिनेंट और नोन।
या
मनोहर लाल जी 1992 से 1995 तक रहे।
हम्म,
उसके बाद ज्वाइन किया श्री शांति स्वरूप सूद जी, पहाड़ी कटड़े वाले बांध का जो काम करते थे।
ओके, ओके,
पहाड़ी कटरा में बूटी श्री किशन मल सूद जी की दुकान के सामने, मशहूर दुकान है
हाँ जी,
राशन की,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
उनके सामने जैसे करके
हम्म,
ये इनका कारोबार था।
हम्म,
तो ये 1995 से 97 तक रहे।
हम्म,
तो फर्स्ट टाइम मैं यहाँ मैं मेंशन करना चाहूंगा कि जनरल सेक्रेटरी जब मैं बना
हाँ,
तो सबसे पहले इन्होंने मुझे जनरल सेक्रेटरी चुना था।
वाह,
I joined in his time. Then Shri Krishan Khan Sood ji joined in 97 after him.
वाह,
So he also uh, put faith in me and selected me again General Secretary. And from that 97 onwards, with his term, I am till now General Secretary and 2 years more than him because I joined in 95 as General Secretary. So from the last about you can count 23 years, I am representing Sood Sabha as General Secretary.
wonderful, awesome.
Thank you.
So एक आपने थोड़े साल पहले बिल्डिंग बनाई है सूद भवन, which is for the community. You're serving very well there. थोड़ा भवन के बारे में बताएंगे?
हाँ, देखिए उसका नाम हमने सूद भवन रखा है। ये पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता अगर श्री बंता राम जी सूद
I know.
हमारे अगर वो हमको जो लैंड जो है, जो जमीन उनके ही सौजन्य से हमें मिली है, वो एक उनके पास धर्मार्थ एक जमीन उनके अंडर थी, उनको दी हुई थी। उन्होंने बड़ी ईमानदारी से उसको संभाल के रखा, उसका जो भी पर्पस था पूरा किया। उसके बाद वो जब वृद्ध होने लगे तो उन्होंने कहा कि इसका इस्तेमाल अगर करना है तो कोई ऐसे ईमानदार और अच्छे लोग, मेहनती चाहिए जो इसको अच्छी तरीके से इस्तेमाल करे जिससे कि किसी का भला हो।
You're
तो
right.
उस इरादे से उन्होंने सूद सभा को चुना और सूद सभा को चुन के श्री बंता राम जी ने उनको ये जमीन उनके हवाले की। और हमारे यहाँ पे भी मेंशन करना चाहूंगा, माननीय पूर्व मंत्री, पूर्व एमएलए श्री तीक्ष्ण सूद जी,
Yeah.
हमारे होशियारपुर की वो भी शान है। उनके सौजन्य से उन्होंने जो हमारी मदद की, उनकी मदद से हम उस लैंड को उसको लीगली हम अपने पास रख सके और उस पे जो भी यथा योग्य रिक्वायरमेंट थी वो करके वी कुड स्टार्ट सम वर्क with the vision to make a Sood Bhavan here
Okay.
at that place.
Okay.
So, as it was a dream come true, but it was made possible with the efforts of Tikshan Sood ji and at the same time our dynamic president Shri Krishan Khan ji Sood. He made all his efforts. He devoted time. He left everything. He kept on doing. We joined him. Whatever he instructed, we did that also.
Yeah.
But now with all persons' good wishes and blessings, we are now able to make a very spacious Sood Bhavan in which we have one big administrative block, in which we have office of Sood Sabha, one meeting hall in which 35 persons at a time can hold meeting.
Wow.
As a conference hall. Then we have a big hall which is having capacity of more than 2,000-3,000 persons.
2,000-3,000.
This is one of the biggest hall in Hoshiarpur.
Okay.
So we have air cooled it according to our finances, and it is well lit, well lighted. Now everything is, you come to that place, you will find it to be sometime. I will show you that also from that place itself. It has come out to be the one of the best marriage halls.
Beautiful.
For any celebrations. We have 9-10 rooms with
see.
attached bathrooms,
Mhm,
common bathrooms.
mhm.
We have generator facility. Any person can do any function of any kind, religious functions. So our hall is generally booked and it is busy, because that is the reason that we are doing charity work. We are only charging a very nominal amount,
Cost.
expenses
Yeah.
and some maintenance charges
Yeah.
to maintain and keep on creating the facilities further for
Mhm.
the other coming person according to the time.
Mhm.
We are doing that.
Yeah.
So we could make it possible. And at the same time, this is not the only thing. Sood Bhavan, where we have, make a big hall. People come here for religious functions.
Mhm.
They come from private parties, marriages. So many things are being performed there. So
Mhm.
people come from faraway places. They stay in the rooms. They have all facilities.
Mhm.
So we are having Sood Bhavan now at time almost within the heart of the city.
Good.
It is just near the Naloya Chowk, which is next to, you can say, near crematorium, old crematorium ground,
Mhm. Mhm.
Haryana Road, we call it.
Mhm.
And it is very well within the reach of people.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And people, they are preferring
Mhm.
to celebrate in our hall.
Yeah, yeah.
What number of facilities are being given?
Hanji. On that note, I remember Chandigarh has a beautiful building also, Chandigarh
Yes,
Sabha.
I know.
And
Commendable.
I was so impressed to see those rooms. They are AC rooms with
Very well
attached
maintained. Very
attached
well maintained, and
bathrooms.
they are running it very finely.
A few years back, they were charging 500-600 rupees, per room. Whereas in the hotels, you get 3,000, 5,000, per room. So it's a big help to the community. And I'm sure you're doing the same thing. You must be giving subsidy discounts to the community people and in the general community as well.
Yes, sir. I appreciate their efforts, because they have something in Panchkula also. So
And Bhushan ji, Sood Sabha Shimla is doing also very well. Very great
Yeah.
job they are doing.
Yeah,
They have got lot of funds, abundance of money is there, and that is being paid to the needies.
I know.
They are doing very well.
I'm aware.
Very
yeah,
well.
Yeah. So अपनी जो सूद सभा होशियारपुर है, उसमें सोशल एक्टिविटीज क्या है? जिससे
सोशल एक्टिविटीज ऐसा है, एक तो in a year we try to arrange some function, सूद मेला or something, so that परिवार इकट्ठे हो जाए,
परिवार मिलन हो जाता है उसमें, annual परिवार मिलन।
Yes,
तो एक हम ऐसा करते हैं कि जैसे कुछ मेडिकल कैंप भी लगवाते हैं हम वहाँ पे, लोगों को हेल्प करने के लिए। सो क्योंकि हमारी कम्युनिटी में डॉक्टर्स बहुत हैं, विद गॉड्स ब्लेसिंग वी हैव लॉट ऑफ फूड डॉक्टर्स, यू आर आल्सो वन ऑफ दोस, so you know your colleagues and everybody at Hoshiarpur, so they provide us services and we arrange for that also.
Naresh hai, Rajneesh hai, Avneet hai, so many I remember.
Number of person. Yeah. And at the same time, Dr. Keshav bhi hai, unke Naresh ke brother bade. He is an active member of our executive member also. तो वो भी आते हैं सब, तो सबकी कंट्रीब्यूशन है। दूसरा ये है कि हम जो वैसे तो with proud I say this thing that we have kept some provision for helping some financially weak people or person in problem from our biradari, but till now we are not able to find any. It goes in the favor of the community that in Soods you will they are self-sufficient and they don't require any help. Yeah, we might have helped some Sood families for some or other reason. Some problem is like this. If any, like I am a legal person, so if I can help any Sood family for that purpose, I am always there to help for anything, for without any this thing consideration. But at the same time, whosoever comes for help, we try, if it is genuine, if the members recommend, we do that also. So आज तक हमने कोशिश की है, पहले थोड़े से जितनी हमारा फंड्स थे वैसे करते रहे, अब जैसे जैसे फंड्स बढ़ेंगे, we will try to add certain more things also.
Sure.
So जो भवन है उसमें भी कुछ फैसिलिटीज और चाहिए, वो भी ऐड करेंगे. तो सर्विसेज हम काफी तरीके से डाइवर्सिफाइड हैं. रिलीजियस फंक्शंस भी करवाते हैं हम. हमने पीछे जैसे यहाँ स्पेशल अमृतसर से कोई वाचक थे बड़े अच्छे, उनको बुला के तो उनको उनसे यहाँ करवाया था. तो काफी लोग आए थे, लोगों ने पसंद किया. तो जो भी हम कभी ठीक समझे कोई एक्टिविटी ऐसी होनी चाहिए, सो हम कोशिश करते हैं कि वो करवा दी जाए.
Wonderful.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
On the same here, Bhushan ji, as I've been a teacher and principal also, but you know that I don't do in a regular job. But whosoever comes to me for learning things, I give free tuitions to them these days.
Yes, yes, I know that.
Whether he belongs to Sood community or any other community, kids can come and have tuitions for any subject.
So we have Mahila wing also.
I see.
So ladies are very active.
Okay.
They also come and help the needies.
Okay.
In the end,
Yeah.
I'll be failing in my duty if I don't mention the name of the bone of our Sood Sabha, your elder brother, late Shri Moti Lal Ji Sood.
Thank you.
He was the person from which he was my guru. I have learned so many things.
Okay.
How to go socially, how to converse with the people,
Okay.
never change your temperament,
Uh-huh.
be soft and polite, and people will never forget you.
Yeah.
They will agree to whatever proposal you give. So
You're
that's
right.
why he was a #1 leader of Hoshiarpur.
You're right.
He was a great personality.
You're right.
Had he not been there, we would not have been able to collect the funds for the Sood Sabha.
You're very right.
Because he had lot of connections. He has worked for the people for so many years. He rather, I would say, he involved himself. He gave his life to
Dedicated. Totally
social
dedicated.
service.
Yeah.
Dedicated,
Yeah.
right? So then your another brother, Professor Shyam Sundar ji,
Okay.
he also contributed a lot. He had been member of our executive and
Okay.
regularly coming, and he always gave very material and authoritative suggestions.
Very no, I
So
know
I
that.
appreciate
Hanji.
for that.
Hanji.
Another thing, I will not be able to justify if I don't even mention the name of my father-in-law, late Shri Trilok Chand ji Butel.
Good.
I remember after long time, we arranged a Sood Mela. He was made president of that Mela, and he was a guest of Sood Sabha Hoshiarpur. He donated 1,21,000 rupees to the Sabha. From that big fund, Sabha could start its activities in material manner.
Wonderful.
So he also contributed to this.
Okay.
Then it is a long time back, जब सूद मेला हुआ था बड़ी देर पहले. तो अब I would be failing again if I don't mention about you. You are doing such a, you are representing Sona, but Sona is because of your contribution, your efforts.
Thank you.
And we are proud of you that our community has given you honor of Sood Ratna.
Thank you. Yeah.
And you have the quality. I don't know why we have not have some another reward which could be given to you.
That's the
but
reward.
I would try that you deserve more rewards.
Thank you.
For making people together in the interest of Sood community and running a Sabha in a place where it is very difficult to make the people sit together and be closer.
Very true.
Because distant places, number of things. So North America Association is being run by you. I still remember when I came to Toronto, I was your guest. So you introduced me to all members of Sood Sabha.
I call the executive.
Executive. Yeah, right? So executive. And I really enjoyed that. I still remember, I cherish the memories of that event. We I really enjoyed. My wife is also very thankful, and
No
we had a nice time there.
You're
And
always
it was
welcome.
very nice. I just remember them when I see that photograph with
Mhm.
everybody which we have. So
Mhm.
बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. So
हाँ
Bhushan
जी.
ji, you are doing a great job,
Thank you so
and
much.
thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
So all the best, and keep it up.
Sure.
Keep it up in the future also. I expect so.
I will. मैं अब आपने बात छेड़ी है तो मैं भी थोड़ा शेयर करना चाहता हूँ.
Please,
I
sir,
want to
please.
really mention my elder brother, late Shri Motilal ji.
हाँ जी.
Honestly, he dedicated his whole life for the community. तो उसकी एक मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल शेयर करना चाहता हूँ आज, बिकॉज सुसभा की बात हो रही है. तो he died in 2009.
Yeah.
And somewhere in 2017 or 16, मैंने
Very unfortunate.
2016-17 में मैं एक फ्रेंड है मेरा होशियारपुर में, अशोक जैन, जो कंदी हलवाई की दुकान है, उस पे कपड़े की उनका
Yes.
बिजनेस है, राइट.
Yes, yes.
तो मैं उससे फोन पे बात कर रहा था, और उसका घर है जो जैन कॉलोनी बनी है, उसने बड़ा सुंदर घर बनाया हुआ वहाँ पे.
Yes. हाँ जी.
तो बात लंबी हो गई, आधा घंटा पौना घंटा हो गया. तो इंटरनेट कनेक्शन की वजह से वो घर से बाहर खड़ा था. तो किसी पड़ोसी ने पूछा कि इतनी देर से तू किससे बात कर रहा है. उसने ये नहीं कहा कि मेरा ये क्लास फेलो है, वो कहता मोतीलाल जी के भाई से बात कर रहा हूँ.
वाह वाह.
मैं मेरे को you know
From
my
this
life,
you can imagine his popularity.
my life is
He-
fulfilled कि
हाँ
8
जी.
साल 9 साल 6 साल 7 साल बाद भी मेरा फ्रेंड मेरा रेफरेंस नहीं दे रहा कि मेरा क्लास फेलो है. उसके दिमाग में ही आता है कि भाई साहब का नाम लेंगे. तो
Correct.
he did his job, he fulfilled his community responsibilities very well. तो अभी लगा
वो
हुआ है.
हमारे, हाँ जी, वो भूषण जी, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू, वो हमारे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट भी रहे हैं.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, I know.
पर जो भी पोस्ट वो लीड करते रहे, उन्होंने उससे भी कहीं ज्यादा काम किया.
जरूर किया होगा.
उनकी कंट्रीब्यूशन सुसभा कभी नहीं भुला पाएगी.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And same way, my other brother, Professor Sahab, he's involved in so many activities.
Please.
So dedicatedly.
He is a very active person still.
Yeah, I think he did a lot of work for Bal Vikas, Rotary, or
Yes, I know. Sarvadhikari Mandir, number of things your family is looking for. And I know जितनी contribution आपकी family का है, आपकी family इस चीज के लिए, और आज आपने वो रवायत अभी भी कायम रखी है. You are still going with that wherever you are sitting. You are away from our country, but still you are doing that.
Thank you so much.
And that's why they call you Sood Ratan.
Thank you.
Shri Dr. Bhushan Sood ji.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay.
All
Thank
the
you
best.
so much.
Thank
All the
you.
best.
Thank you.
God
Thank you,
bless
sir.
you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
So I think we have covered almost everything about your activities.
Thank you. Thank you.
About Sabha Hoshiarpur, the key people, the founders.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that should provide a wonderful information to our community and people at large. So on that note, I would like to close our today's discussion.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
Bhushan
very
ji.
much, and God bless you. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. All the best. Thank you.
Bye-bye.